Hey guys, I'm back after a long while, but this time with something different. So I jumped on the bandwagon of live-coded games and created a game using O1 Mini and Claude 3.7. This runs in the browser with HTML and THREE.js. So let's see how I get on. So here's where I'm currently at. In this video, you'll see me convincing the GPT models to make a game. Spoiler alert, it's not as simple as one prompt and done, but it's possible with some effort. Throughout this video series, I'll be using Thoughtflow for prompting, mainly because it allows me to prompt multiple models at the same time and branch out at any point in the chat history. As you would see, this comes in handy. Alright, here we go. I'm giving a prompt asking for a small game built with HTML and THREE.js. I described an explorable environment with trees, buildings, signboards and roads, and bushes. I also asked for a first-person camera that can be navigated with mouse and keyboard. Got the response? Let's copy the code, paste it into a file, and load the page. Looks pretty good for a one-shot attempt. We've got everything I asked for, plus I can move around with the keyboard and look around with the mouse. Now let's see what Claude 3.7 can do. I'll switch the model in Thoughtflow and rerun the same prompt. This opens a new branch that I can explore independent of the O1 mini conversation branch. Claude finished generating the response. Let's copy, paste and reload. The result is less impressive. The signboards don't have any text, but otherwise the functionality is similar to O1 Mini's output. Now I'll ask both models to switch to a third-person view. Notice how vague my prompt is. Let's see how they interpret it. Clouds finished first. Let's check it out. It's added a car in the middle of the screen and I can look around, but it does not really feel right. Back to O1 Mini. Oh no, blank screen. At this point, it did not occur to me to check the browser console for errors. Instead, I decided to press on with Claude. Next, I asked for WASD controls for the car and a wider camera angle. Once again, I copy, paste, reload, and voila, another blank screen. Instead of checking the error log, still learning here, I just complained that it gives me a blank screen. I promise in the next videos, I actually check the error console like a sensible developer. Since I hadn't provided actionable feedback, Claude went back to the basics and tried to debug things. But now the car controls are clunky and the camera doesn't follow the car properly. So I complained more. This sort of vague feedback doesn't work. Doesn't help GPT models or humans for that matter. When there is an error, check the console, find the issue, and give clear feedback for better results. It's no different from telling an engineer it's broken without any context. As you can see, both models are now stuck, and I'm just complaining harder. Claude starts producing incomplete code, so I rerun the prompt. That creates a different branch. Suddenly, O1 Mini produces something that works. So I continue improving that branch. Claude, however, keeps failing, and my confidence in it is fading fast. At this point, I'm still copying entire code base each time instead of just asking for edits, a mistake I only realized later. Requesting only code edits is better for two reasons. It preserves context. Lengthy chat histories can lose context or hit API limits faster. And second, it is easier for you to track what's changing in the code. I tried to salvage Claude's branch, but since I wasn't feeding back error details properly, I kept failing. In the next video, I'll continue the struggle to get the game working again. If you don't see it in the playlist yet, it's because I'm still editing it, but it won't be long. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to clarify anything you're curious about. Boom.